standing before you today, I am filled with gratitude, pride, and a deep sense of fulfillment as I reflect on my journey as your Supreme Elementary Learner Government or SCLG President. Serving in this role has been one of the most meaningful experiences of my life. It was never just about holding a title, it was about listening, understanding, and taking action for the welfare of our fellow students. Every challenge we faced became an opportunity to grow, not only as leaders, but as a community. One of the moments I will always cherish is our uniform donation drive. Seeing students come together to support our fellow learners in need reminded me of the true spirit of our school, compassion and unity. Being able to help provide uniforms to those who needed them most was incredibly fulfilling because we knew we were helping restore confidence and dignity to our schoolmates. We also stood together during difficult times. When the fire struck Mabilo, many families were left in distress. As a council, we did not hesitate to extend our hands and hearts. Through our collective efforts, we were able to provide support, comfort, and hope to those affected. Similarly, when Tropical Storm Emma impacted members of our community, we once again came together in solidarity. Whether through donations, outreach, or simple acts of kindness, we showed that even in the face of adversity, we are stronger when we stand united. These experiences have taught me that leadership is not about power. It is about service. It is about putting others first, acting with empathy, and making a difference, no matter how big or small. And now, the time has come for me to pass on this responsibility. As I step down from my role as the SCLG President, I do so with confidence and hope for the future. I trust that the next will continue what we have started and bring even greater pride to our school, always remembering that the end does not justify the means. Make this opportunity as the SCLG officers mold you into a champion leader, a leader who always collaborates with the school to serve the students better. Always try to motivate others and push for positive changes in our school. To everyone who supported me throughout this journey, our principal, Dr. Daisy Canizares, our SCLG advisor, Mrs. Lani Quito, our SCLG master teacher in charge, Mrs. Teresa De Vera, our teachers, my fellow officers, my family and friends, and all the students, thank you. This achievement was never mine alone. It was ours.